it's showtime. Yeah, it's showtime. It's get guap time. It's get dough time.
So boom, open up your internet, Safari, type in vsts.com, right, click on that t-shirt, pick the color you want, tap that, save that right there, boom, open up the Canva app, so boom, let that open up, wait for it, and now okay. Boom, tap on Instagram post. Boom, right there, blank. Boom, tap in upload. I already got 2 shirts, whatever. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. Boom, tap that, add that. Wait for it to load. Boom, done loading. Click on effects, background remover. Just to show y'all, it's gonna remove the background. I'll change the white into red. 3, 2, okay, damn, it's pretty fast, whatever. Boom, resize that to the size you want, you know what I'm saying? Next, we grab the design we want. I got hella, but I'm gonna grab this one. Get that Jerry Rice, fix that up a little bit, resize it. Boom, make it look realistic, you know what I'm saying? Center that. Boom, go back. Go back again. Sometimes the app does that. I don't know what it is, but it just does that. Boom. Now we want to save it. All the way up. Hit transparent. See? You see what I'm saying? Hit transparent again. Boom. Now we're saving it finally. Exit the app. Go to your camera roll. Click that. Click that. Boom. Transparent. Now you got your own graphic tee mockup. Zoom in, check out the design, you know what I'm saying? Boom, bada bing, and that's the end of the video, people.
I got concerned with the guys to block me right off of my access, right on my ass. Had to bounce back. Something inside of my brain must have snapped, cause shit hit the fan. I hit a relapse. All I want is loyalty. Stay away from all the